We have a D6MXL, just came in on trade. It was used by a farmer, the most recent owner of it. The machine does have cat undercarriage all the way around. It's on the first side of the turn of the pins and bushings in the undercarriage. You might be able to get a turn out of it yet. 6-way angle blade, VPAT. It does have blade mounts or rake mounts, which we do not have a rake for it. What you see is what you get, no extra stuff. It does have a pull mount for, it looks like a GPS system, like a very primitive GPS system. And let's do a walk around. So the machine, this is not the original paint. It does have a winch on it, but like I said, 6-way blade, cat undercarriage, 13,000 hours. So the idler, it's not dished too bad. There is a little dip down to it. You see cat links on there. Cat carrier roller. You see up there, right there. So there's the upper lip of that wear on that pin and bushing. Segments on this side don't look too bad. Rear roller, it's got a little lip there. Just moving it around the yard, it wasn't squeaking. You can see I was tracking it back and forth right there. It was parked there, trying to get it warmed up. We've got an allied winch on this. This is a W5C winch. It does have cable, but I would suggest the new buyer to replace it. Rust right there, a little rust up there. Windows are intact. You can see a little rust right there. LED lights they put on it over time. Same thing, it's a little dished out, not bad. These are a little bit more worn over here. I'm guessing he was working to his right a lot, maybe. So cat, yeah. And I had this open already. We have a little light start, light smoke at startup. Everything's intact. Seats, got a little wear spot in it. This cap hasn't been cleaned out from the customer, so not terribly bad. AC, I got it turned on, but it is It is not working. The AC, from what I can tell. Actually, let's try it. See if we turn it down. Maybe I got it. Yeah, AC is not working. All right, your parking brake, your forward, reverse, upshift, downshift, your steer, blade control, winch control. We'll start, take the parking brake off and run in first gear. We'll run it through the brakes real quick. So foot's all the way down the brake. Throttle wound up pretty good. Nobody around. Put it first gear, throttle, brake down, still moving. Second gear, powering through the brakes. Third gear, no. So it does shift through the gears. So third gear right here. Second gear. First gear. And then so I came from Pennsylvania area. Not all in all bad tractor from what I can see. It does have a little odor in the cab. Oh, let's check out the winch. See if I can get it. It does. It does work, it does spin. So there's no load on it. The machine is sold as is, but everything seems to work function-wise. It does have some smoke on startup, white smoke on startup. I did check the oils. The oil was good. Not a bad older machine. And then this one has 13,000 hours. I don't know how to get back to that screen. Parking brake on. Yeah, so it's about 13,000 hours. Let's see. Yep, some of this technology eludes me. I haven't been in it for so long. But that's all I got on this one.